Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a storage unit for my dog's food. If you're new here to my channel, I have two dogs. I have a husky. She doesn't eat a lot and she's on the skinnier side, and then I have a mixture of a Schnauzer and a Westie. Luna is my husky, and this is who this little storage thing is for because I like to keep her food extremely fresh. I usually keep it in a bag, but people had told me about these containers for a while now, so I decided to try it. I ordered this off of Amazon and it was about $30-something. So I cannot wait to show you guys. So let's go ahead and open it up. Before we get started though, if y'all could please like, comment, and subscribe, I would truly appreciate it. I did a video similar to this before where I unboxed the stroller? Yeah, I had a stroller for Luna when she was a puppy. And y'all seem to like the videos where I unbox things that I get my dogs. So that's why I'm doing this one here today. That's what led me to do this one. So the first thing you see when you literally unbox this is, it's kind of tricky. I'm trying to show y'all, hold on. So there's another box inside the box. It says fragile. And this is how it looks here. Is it this? I hope it's this. They must have like, I'm probably gonna have to build this because it's fairly small. So this is how it looks. And yeah, I'm just gonna open it up because I have no idea what it is. And I ordered the biggest size there was, so we'll see. I also ordered it in blue because, like a shade like this of blue, because Luna's collar and everything I have for her is blue. So okay, so this is how it looks. It's fairly small compared to what I thought it would be. Honestly, it's really small. Like, this is the bucket, and like I thought it would be so much bigger, so I'm kind of disappointed because I feel like what I thought I ordered was just a lot bigger. So let's see. I'm trying to put the lid on it. It comes fairly easy. Hold on. So I think you gotta put the lid on like this. It comes fairly easy because the actual like box or whatever where the food goes comes, you know, obviously already pre-built, so it just literally, how the freak do I do this? So because it comes already pre-built, all you have to do is kind of like put the lid on it, and then yeah, so that's how it looks. And it has like no wheels, no anything. So I feel like I was under the impression that I was ordering something else. Here's the, it comes also with a shovel to scoop out the stuff. Oh, well, here are the wheels. So it does come with wheels. And then this is the top part, like I guess for like the treats or like smaller food. But I was very much under the impression that this was a lot bigger than what it is. So let's put the wheels on it. The wheels obviously already come like pre-everything, so you just have to install it to the little holes here. I think. All right, just push it down, get it down in there. And so I'm just gonna do that to all four. Like I said, I order really big bags for Luna's food, so I just don't think that her whole bag of food will even fit in here. So I'm not sure what exactly I'm gonna do. So that's how it's looking with the little wheels. It's really not that big. A lot smaller than what I anticipated, but I understand. It also has this little lining in here, this white lining, and I think that that's what keeps it really, really fresh. So, I mean, that's fine. And then here go the snacks. Luna, you want to look at it? She's like looking at everything I have. And I guess I could just put the shovel in there as well. I mean, it's not super bad. I will try putting the food in there and seeing, but like I said, I always get Luna, and I always get her an extra bag because one time, I think it was during a hurricane or something like that, she didn't have a lot of food left, and I was really worried that like she wouldn't have any food. And so after that experience of just having like that stress, I was like, I'm always going to have extra food. And that's her right now, actually barking. But yeah, so I always have extra food, but her bags are really big. So I'm gonna see how much fits in here and let y'all know or show you guys, because I'm concerned that if a whole bag doesn't even fit in here, and I usually have 2 bags at a time, then it's kind of like, what did I purchase this for? So I don't have the exact measurements with me at this moment, and inside the box, there's no paper that came with this. I'm not gonna lie, is it good quality? Absolutely. It's easy to build. It's sturdy. Like, this is sturdy. It does not feel flimsy. Like I've touched certain containers where you feel like this is just bad material. This feels like good material. I like the color, which I know is just pleasing to the eye because it's not what's important when buying a storage, you know, food unit for your dog. You just want something that's going to be reliable and safe and stuff like that. It's given that. It's giving sturdy, it's giving safe, it's giving clean. It doesn't look like some, you know, it can easily be scratched. It's given, you know, protective. It's nice, and I like the shovel. The wheels, it was easy build, because that's another thing. I am the only one who cares for Luna, and so like I need to be the one building stuff and knowing how to build these stuff, because, you know, with her stroller, I had to ask for help because I could not piece that thing together at all. And so it was a really, like, if you're, for example, if you don't have someone to really help you, like, building something is important, because if you can't build it, then who's gonna build it? How is it gonna get built? You get it? So I think that having the wheels and just the whole process of building it be very easy. I mean, there's not much building. It's just putting the wheels, and it all comes like already done. But I have looked at some containers where you have to put like the sides together, and so I didn't want that. I wanted something like this. So I'm just hoping that, you know, her food will fit. So I guess we'll check it out. And then the top, I think I'm just gonna use it for treats. So let's go ahead and see, and I will show y'all how it looks. And it came like in two boxes, as y'all saw, and everything. So they definitely did their best to protect this. So let me show you. All right, so this is a full bag right here of what Luna eats. This is, I don't know the exact pounds. Oh, here, it's 28 pounds. And this is the full bag that she eats. So the 28 pounds has to fit in here, in the bottom one. And I just don't know if it will. So, oh look, and I like how this doesn't go all the way back when you put it down, because every time it would hit the storage container, I know it will probably scare my dogs. So I like how it stays. It doesn't like go all the way back. I like how it just stays up. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna try to fit this dog food into that. And like I said, this was 28 pounds. Here, this is 28 pounds, and it's food from the vet. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Alright, so then at the top, I'm going to put some of these treats. I know this is not the best brand. They're both like here. Both of my dogs are like trying to get one. I know this is not the best brand, but my grandma had bought these for the dogs, and it's fine. Like, we do use them sometimes, so I'm just going to pour them in here so that they stay fresh. So yeah. And then I also have these treats right here, greenies. Hold on, I'm gonna put these in here as well. Let me just put these in this bag. And this greenie, just go there. So yeah. Okay. So obviously, I can't do anything right. And I spilled the food all over prior to getting it into the bin. But the 28 pounds of food did fit into the bin. It filled it all the way up to the top, which I'm really surprised. Because I didn't think it would even fit half of it, and it fit the whole thing. So it fits one solid bag of 28 pounds, but if you have 2 bags, then it's obviously too small. Like I said, spilled it by accident. Of course, she came over and she is just having a late dinner. She doesn't eat much, so I'm happy she's eating, honestly. I know there's huskies out here who are like food motivated or food derived, and Luna is definitely not. So I am glad she's eating. She can eat it all and just clean that mess because she like barely eats during the day. But yeah, I just thought I would show y'all my mess because my life is not perfect and I do stupid shit like this all the time. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will show you the final product when I roll it back into the pantry after I'm done picking up all this mess, because I know she's not gonna eat it all. So yeah, this is how the final product turned out. It actually came in a lot more convenient than what I thought. It fits a whole bag. As you can see, I still have another bag over there, because most containers aren't gonna fit probably 2 bags. But this came out a lot more nicer than what I would have thought. It seems small, but it's just compact. And we have the treats up here. And yeah, some food down here. So overall, I really like it, and I would recommend you guys to buy it. I'm going to give this a solid 8 out of 10. I'll see you guys in my next video, and thanks so much for watching.